2016, we laid out the master plan to increase the high-standard highway network in Luzon by threefold, from 385 kilometers in 2016. DPWH committed to expand this to 1,040 by 2022. 4 years after we've completed the Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway, one of 23 expressways included in the Luzon Spine Expressway network. The TIPLEX is an 89-kilometer expressway spanning from Tarlac, Pangasinan and La Union. The project has shortened travel time from Quezon City to La Union from 6 hours to only 3.5. Moreover, Baguio is now only 3 hours away. TIPLEX has also improved provincial interconnectivity. For instance, travel time from Tarlac to Rosales in Pangasinan will be shortened from 2 hours to only 30 minutes. Ordoneta is only 40 minutes away, and Rosario in La Union just 1 hour. President Rodrigo Duterte has committed to reduce travel time in Luzon by half in 2022. DPWH is working 24/7 to ensuring that this becomes a reality.